Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. I am out here in the shed. Last night I did the first live stream, the Q&A for you guys. I'm pretty happy with the way it worked out. And today I'm just out here getting some of this stuff done. I got the wiring loom off it down there. Got the wiring loom off it on the floor. I'll just spread it out. I got a little bit of time today, so I figured I'd get it apart and make a start on getting this wiring redone. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it today. I'll probably get my new plugs. I've got my wiring diagram here. So I'm just going to go and do some things that I know where they've got to go, like coils, injectors, a few other bits and pieces. I'm probably going to have to take a few of the plugs off it that are already on there and basically just go from there. So stick around, we'll get some of this knocked out hopefully. I'm just going to go through do some stuff that I know, like injector 1 through 6, coil, ignition coil 1 through 6, pin all of them into there and lay them out to where they need to go. I'll work on some of the other stuff later. Sweet, so looks like they've changed. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be much easier. So this wasn't, when I built this loom, this wasn't the thing, but looks like they've gone and printed on the wire what each one does. See if I can find one like here. Come on, focus, you fuck. You. Yeah, like a bit awkward to do, but it says cam 1 on it. E-ground. And 1 TPS. So that's cool. I like that a lot. So this wasn't a thing when I last did it. Like here we got injector 5, injector 2, AUX 3, AUX 1, stepper motor 1B. So that's cool. I really like that. That's a really nice touch. It did make it very confusing last time when I was ignition switch 12 volt. So I like that. ECU Masters has stepped it up. So that's this lot, like this lot here we got, looks like we got coil 1 through 6, P ground, and a P ground again. But yeah, that's going to make it real nice and simple for me. So, should have there. What do we got? Coil 1 through 6. Power ground. And what's this? Power ground. Power ground, power ground. So I'll take out the grounds. So the coils all go on the grey plug, and I've messed this up once before, and it's looking at the plug from the back side. Looks like this plug's missing its the yellow lock. That's right, I've got a couple of these I can rob a lock out of. So start here. Number 1, ignition coil number 6 goes on this outer edge there. Ignition coil 6. Actually, I think I'm going to leave these all together. Ignition coil 6, backside is this outer one here. Push him through in the right orientation, that way I believe. Yep. You can hear him click into place. Ignition coil number 1 is out there. Coil 3, coil 1, number 8 spot, nice click. So number 9 is ignition 3, goes in there. Coil 2 goes in the number 16 spot. Like that. That's it. These other two, they run into the grey plug. Or the black plug, sorry. So black plug, looking at it from the back side. Number 8, coil number 5, he goes up here. Don't know why they didn't put all the coils on the one plug. Maybe it's just something the way the coil driver works. And this should be coil number 4 in the 16 spot. Right there. Like that. And I'll keep these guys together like that. Throw a bit of tape around there. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to leave it there today. I don't know if I'm going to end up doing this in a series, like have this as part 1, or if I'm just going to mash a few days together and have that as part 1. That'll probably be what I end up doing. So stick around, come back at, hopefully I can get some more time to do some more tomorrow. If not, that's going to be part 1. And get some more time and get the rest of it done. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.